Hey, welcome back for the returning subscribers. So as you have seen in the title of this video, we are going to talk everything about money, one of the segments that we have on this channel. Otherwise, we talk about motherhood, lifestyle, travel vlogs, and everything. So if you haven't subscribed, this is your time to do it. Thank you. In this video, we are going to talk about money and how to earn money online. Specifically, we are going to be talking about Canva. For those of you who don't know, Canva is a designing tool that allows you to be creative with your mind, which is not creative already, like me. Yeah, it allows you to be creative. It has thousands and thousands of designs that you can use to recreate products, and you can use to just be creative in your home and so on. So today we are going to be doing everything for free. So from the scratch, it's free. You just create your things and sell them for free. Can you imagine? I hope you are ready for this. So on Canva, of course, Canva has a pro account which you pay some money to use the account. I think it's about 11 euros every month. We are not going to use that because I promised you it's a free, deal. So we are going to be using a free Canva account, which also has thousands of creative graphics and creative things. Of course, the pro account has more than that, but let's first go one step at a time. So you're going to be like, yes, maybe I have created that design, I have been creative enough to use that free account, but how do I sell my product? Of course, we are going to use the things that we already have at hand, which is like social media platforms. I'm using this because I think most of us here have social media platforms like Instagram, like Facebook still works, by the way. I have sold a couple of products there. Then we have YouTube. We have so many avenues to sell our products without paying a thing, paying for a website and so on. So how do you use them in case you don't have a big audience? You use them by telling your friends whom you see that they already have a big followers, like they have a big audience. Just ask them to post your product every once in a while, and also engage with other people's content, like who have a big audience, just for you to be able to pin up like, oh yeah, I have a product that works this and this, can you please help me and share? And then you get it. And for those of you who are in developed countries like in the US, in Europe and so on, you can use it. I'm not sure if it works in Africa. I'm yet to find out. That's a task for me. But yeah, you can use it, and there is a way you can list your product for free. Normally you have to pay a fees, but I'm going to show you how you'll be listing your products just for free. The first step to this successful business is to open up a new Canva free account. Canva is not something hard. You can even open it with your Google account and start doing things, start designing things like a pro. Yeah, so with Canva, as I said, it has a pro account and it has a free account. A pro account, of course, you have to pay every month or per year, and you have more access to more designs. How I use this, actually I use Canva free for your own information. Yeah, how I use this tool is I'm designing printable products. That's the choice I made. However, you can choose to do a physical product or just a printable product. A printable product is easier for me because I don't need to look for a lot of raw materials or a lot of things for me to come up with one product. I just need my laptop and even my phone. Actually, sometimes I do it there and get creative with it. And in the end, I get to download the PDF format and then, sell it on wherever I want to sell it from. So once you have gotten this Canva free account, go to its.com. On its.com, you'll find many stores that are selling different things, but I would advise you to do something that you like. Me, I chose a digital product because it's easier for me to do, and I chose doing planning and so on. Planning is my kind of thing. I don't like chaos in my life. So as I do my planning, I also like create other products for other people, which makes my life easier because I don't need to think a lot of what I'm going to do. I'm already doing it in my personal life. If this is your first time to hear about my products, just hit me in the DM if you need a budget planning, if you need a personal planning, if you need a chore chart for your kids. I'm here. I'm the girl to look up to, and they are not expensive, you know. If there are so many products, as I said, they are physical products and they are also like digital products. For physical products, you get creative with Canva and bring out a certain image and then come and put it on a mug, on a handbag, on things like that. So you can also create jewelry and, you know, have your store of jewelry on it. But here I'm going to be showing you an example on how to create a digital printable product, because they are beginner friendly. First of all, they are cheap to make, and why not try that one? So yeah, let's look at this. Which one? Yeah, let's look at this weekly chores. So you see they are selling it here at €5. Just imagine you got it, like you created it from Canva for free, and then you are selling it here €5. Can you imagine? You look at the products, am I able to recreate it and also get creative with it? Because it's not a copy and paste thing. You have to personalize your product, otherwise you will not get customers. Like if you create things which are similar to another well-known store, of course people will prefer to go to the well-known store than going to your, you know, new business. Get ideas from different products and maybe like try to match them into what you're thinking about as a product, and then come up with a clean and beautiful product. And then once you have thought about which product you want to do, then get back to Canva. You remember the account we created, so get back to Canva and start creating it. And also one thing is that Canva also proposes you other things like which are in line with what you're doing as a product, and look at them. I would advise you to start from scratch, as you know, create something of your own, so that you don't have like thousands of products which are similar to different people. Of course, as I said, they would rather choose the well-known stores than choosing your upcoming business. Come back to Canva, recreate the product, make it cute, make it look cute, like this chore chart that I created. And then once you have finished designing the product, come and click on share, click on download. This is where you choose the quality of the product you have created. Once you have selected the PDF print as your choice to download, then check all the 3 boxes, because they are good also for professional activities. Also remember to select CMYK because it's also a professional thing. And then once you're done, click on download, and this download will bring a PDF document. And this PDF document, this is what we are going to use when we are selling, because people will buy and will just be sending the PDF document. They download the document, and maybe if it's an inspiration code, they download the document and they frame it for themselves. This is where someone wants to get creative in their end, but they don't want to do the creative work. So you get to do the creative work and they do the end results, if that makes sense. So they will do the framing, how they will make a frame of their choice, because they already have the product that they have bought from you. They will make a frame of their choice. Once you have downloaded the document, this time around you're going to create it's free account. Yes, you can create it for free, but you have to be wise on how to create it. Normally you pay a fee for you to list products, but in this case we are going to do it in a way that you don't pay anything as you list your products. So this is how it's done. Stores which are already on it, they have a possibility of giving you 40 listings, and they will also gain 40 listings. This is a win-win situation. So for you as a newcomer, you get 40 listings and they get also 40 listings. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to it and type in 40 listings products, and you'll see a lot of stores. Actually, don't buy the product. You go to the description box and you'll find a link. Click on that link and follow the procedures of signing up and so on. So once you have used that link, it means you have access to 40 listings, and you can also do the same by giving 40 listings to a newcomer, and you also gain 40 listings, which means you are going to create 40 products. Just get creative with them. You have 40 chances of making money. I hope you're going to use it. So once you are selling, you can also decide to create a link that gives another opportunity to somebody else, but also gives you a chance to add on your listings. So if you at all 2 people also use your link, you are at about 120 listings, and you're not paying anything to list your product there, but people are buying and you're earning money quietly. Lastly, scale your profits. Yes, as I have said, you have 40 products. Just as long as you have created a product, list them, see if it works. If it doesn't work, create another product. Be more creative. Like in each and every product you create, just make sure that you are, adding quality and visibility of your product. Of course, also like market it everywhere, in all ways. Put on your WhatsApp, put on your Facebook, put on your Instagram, on your Snapchat, everywhere. If you want me to list for you, I will do it. Yes, if you want me to tag you, I will do it. Let's make a deal. The first 3 people that are going to create a product, I'm going to post your product on my Instagram page. I'm going to actually post your product everywhere on my social media platforms. There you have it, guys. So in summary, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope to see you in the next video telling me that you did it and you are happy now of the results. See you in the next video. Don't forget to do all the good things, subscribe, share, and yeah, enjoy the good life. Bye bye.